Today I'm really shocked and I feel a pain, and what I'm going to speak now is not personally I'm speaking. I'm going to speak on behalf of the people of the Gunjung constituency, on behalf of the pain in their heart of how Prakanta Warisha since 15 years he have been discriminating the people of Gunjung constituency in every development category or job or any beneficiary schemes. He have been surplusing the people of Gunjung constituency, and today the public, not many but 40 or 50 around, they cannot tolerate his incompetent leadership, so they are now against him. They are here. We are not any political party on behalf, we are truly the public, and I, Abhijit Haflongbar, is also a president of Gunjung Village Committee. So we all here, we are not on behalf of any political conspiracy, but this is truly the public who are being betrayed, by Prakanta Warisha. We would simply say that he had betrayed the mandate for 15 years. He had been elected from there as a CM, and in the Congress government he had been the EM for 8 years, and now recently he had been EM in the BJP party. He only changed his dresses, but he is truly a giant, a kind of giant who eat everything away. He is a leader. He is a leader who is very incompetent, and public today is really sad that they have voted for him, and they are really angry again over him. And I only like to say that wherever Prakanto will be given as candidature, whether he be given in BJP, Congress or HSTC as MLA or in the Gunjung constituency, the public are going to boycott the election if that is so, that he have been given if he is given the candidate or candidature from any party in Gunjung constituency, or else even in MLA also. And for him, it is like the democracy definition has also been changed. Democracy for him is democracy for Prakanto, of the people, by the people. People voted for Prakanto for the good of the sake, but he has utilized those power for his sake, and public has been starving many years, since 15 years, and they are really now, they cannot tolerate him anymore, so they are going to protest him anyhow. Thank you so much. And even today we are supposed to reach here. हम लोग को एक 10 बजे पहुंचना था, पर उन्होंने क्या किया, उनका कोई 10-12 आदमी है, उनका लीडर है वहाँ पर, उनका वर्कर है, उन लोग को हिला उला के. It's really shame. I'm really shocked that he is called a leader, such kind of person. He has appointed some of his workers and recently appointed government employees in the fourth grade rank, and those people have tried to chase out the people. They were on the way chasing out the people who were coming for the rally. Today we are supposed to come at least 8 Tata Mobile, but they have been threatening people since 5 days that they should not come out of the village, or else we are going to attack. So today they are all drunk, and 10 or 15 of them, they were on the way and trying to chasing away the people who were coming to protest against him, and all these things he is intervening. We want to boycott because if he is given as a candidature in any this one, we will not accept, because this is really against the democracy. But he is also against the democracy. He has also betrayed the mandate, which means he's also against the democracy. Then if the Indian democracy cannot be relevant or reliable to the public of the Gunjung constituency, then what is the use of we being voted? We practice the Indian constitution. So we are going to boycott anyhow if he's been given as a candidature, either it be in Congress, either it be in SSC, either it be in BJP, or even he's sent to Gunjung constituency just for local election. We're going to boycott.
आप लोग क्यों ऐसा प्रोटेस्ट किया, मतलब क्या मेन?
क्योंकि 15 साल हुआ, 15 years वो गुंजुंग से जीत के आया, लेकिन डेवलपमेंट कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। हम लोग 2010 से पुलिस स्टेशन मांग रहे हैं, मेमोरेंडम जितने EM-CM चेंज हुआ दिया, अभी तक वो कुछ हेल्प ही नहीं किया उसमें।
तो मेन इशू क्या था? तो जॉब के लिए भी लिखा था।
हाँ, जॉब भी लिखा उसमें, क्योंकि रिसेंटली क्या हुआ, इन द 3 month गवर्नमेंट ऑफ भारतीय जनता पार्टी डिमा हासाओ, द जॉब डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हैज बीन कम्प्लीटली, इट्स वेरी अनस्टैटिस्टिकल। उन्होंने उनका कोटा में कितना है पता नहीं है, फिर भी वो सिर्फ 6 दिया, 6 लोग को दिया, और वो भी पियोन में। और बैंक भी हम लोग कब से मांग रहे हैं, वो भी नहीं आया। So consistently he has been depriving the mandate, and consistently for 15 years he has been discriminating the public from any kind of schemes, or either it be job or anything.
क्या एक घर से 3-4 आदमी को भी मतलब नौकरी दे चुका है, ऐसा कुछ सुना?
एक घर से 3 साल तो लाइक इन दिस गवर्नमेंट वो 3 महीना जो था वो तो उसमें तो नहीं दिया वो। वी डोंट हैव एनी न्यूज़ फॉर इट, बट दे हैव गिवन ओनली 5 फ्रॉम गुंजुंग एंड 1 फ्रॉम अमलुंगरा विलेज, इतना ही दिया उन्होंने। और जब भी पूछा जाता है उसको, जब भी पूछा जाता है अब क्या हुआ, अब क्यों नौकरी नहीं देता, बोलो CM ने कैंसिल किया। देन इट वाज श्री ऑनरेबल निरंजन ओझा, ही वाज सेम। देन जब भी उसको पूछा जाता है कि आप इसे क्यों किया, पब्लिक को क्यों इसे कर रहे हैं, हम लोग का नाम लिख के दिया, क्या हो CM से कैंसिल कर देता है, वही उसका जवाब। तो इसलिए हम लोग कैनॉट टॉलरेट एनीमोर, उसका ऊपर हम लोग टॉलरेट ही करने नहीं सकता। और आज भी और भी ज़्यादा आता था, लेकिन रास्ता में गुंडागर्दी करके आदमी को रुकाया। तो इसलिए अभी हम लोग पब्लिक के सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है, सभी पार्टी से या सभी गवर्नमेंट हुएवर विल फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट, सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि काइंडली यू लुक इनटू द मैटर एंड प्लीज़ हेल्प द पीपल ऑफ गुंजुंग। थैंक यू सो मच।